Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's quick little video is going to be checking out this 1/48 scale die-cast metal Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van from Kinsmart. This particular van is in the like a medium to dark, I guess it's more of a medium blue color. Measures around 5.5 inches long, and this is a pullback vehicle. I don't have a whole lot of information about this. But I couldn't find one of these locally, so I ended up ordering this one off of eBay, and I think it was like $8 or $9 with free shipping, I believe, something like that, or with shipping. In the stores, if you can find them, you're talking they're usually like $6. But I think these are pretty nice for the money. My oldest brother, he just purchased one recently, a real Mercedes Sprinter van in dark blue, and this is his dark blue is a lot darker than this. This is the closest I could come for his van. He wanted me to keep an eye out if I could find any die-cast vans like his. I think these are really nice for $6. I mean, you can't really go too wrong with them. The only problem is they don't really come with a box normally or anything. When you find them in stores, you know, they're kind of just thrown on the shelf all together, so sometimes mirrors are missing, and as you can see on this one, I don't know if you can see there, and there's some pretty bad scratches on the rear glass. But I think tempo wise, like for the logos and lights and all that, I think they're really nice for the money. I mean, you can't get a lot for $5.99 nowadays. So the wheels actually look pretty cool on it. Got black, like gloss black wheels, multi-spoked. Looks like a couple scuffs here and there. Like I said, the way that these are shipped, I believe they just throw them in like a carton, and then the sellers, you know, put them out on display or whatever. So a lot of times, if you just go over them with some like McGuire's cleaner / wax, something like that, you can clean up any scuffs or anything. As you can see here, it is, oh, as it wants to take off my stand there, but it is a pullback. It's pretty heavy metal. Just noticed today the black stripe under these lights. I feel stupid now, but I actually didn't notice the black stripe there before. I mean, I knew it had the black, has the satin black bumpers on the front, and I guess on the back with the step up. The doors do open on this, and it has little black mirrors. Pretty cool. The cargo section of it does not open. Let's see if I can get this door. It's not cooperating. There we go. The door didn't want to open there. I don't think the back's, no, the back doesn't open. There's a hair stuck onto the wheel. Some interior detail. There's a third, this one does have a third seat in the middle there. You could have 3 passengers in the front, which is nice. But there you can kind of see there's some scratches on the back window, and that's to be expected for a lot of these. The way they ship them, there's not much you can do about it. You could go over with some plastic polish and try to get the scratches out. And here's something here on the paint on the side right there. You can kind of see some boogers there on the side. I don't know, it looks like it might just be adhesive. It looks like it's coming off with my finger. I think it was just like residue, adhesive or residue or something. But I think these are really nice. I guess this is separate lenses for the, yeah, it is, isn't it? I thought it was painted. The taillights are separate plastic lenses. Really nice touch. This looks good too, like the Mercedes logo looks good. Oh, as I almost drop it. And got inner door panels on the 2 front doors. Close very nicely, nice click to them. chrome trim is kind of hit or miss here on the front, and you might be able to see like there, it looks a little light there. We do have separate lenses for the headlights. The driving lamps are kind of just painted silver on the bottom section there. But overall, I think this looks really nice. We got black handles are painted on the sides. Pretty cool. So if you're interested in making a custom, such as I'm going to be making probably a plumbing van out of this one for my brother, I think these are really nice. I just unfortunately can't find this particular model anywhere locally, so I had to source it from eBay. But there you go. I think they offer like the typical colors in it, like red, white, blue, and black. I think is the only colors. I think it's, I don't even know about red, but I know they have the white, red, and blue, and I think maybe silver. So there you go. That is the Mercedes Sprinter van. Pretty cool. 1/48 scale die-cast metal from Kinsmart. I believe it's the same company as Welly. So I almost said Welly there. It's Kinsmart, but basically the same thing. Probably made it the same factory is what I'm thinking. So thanks for watching this. I know it was kind of a boring one with being a plain Jane van, but it's die-cast and it's on 4 wheels, and so I'll review it. If you like this type of video, be sure to give me a share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it. It's free. You can't be free. And hit the bell for notifications. And I will see you guys next time. Oh, we have I'm gonna have a sweepstakes things coming up here soon to celebrate hopefully hitting 10,000 subscribers here with the next month or so. So I will definitely be having a big, large giveaway of stuff. Probably a first, second, and third place. So it gives other people an opportunity and just having one winner. So keep an eye out for that. And I will see you guys soon. Have a good night. Bye now.